If you've ever tried to download a file from Google Drive and seen the message "Download quota exceeded," you already know how frustrating that can be. The good news is that there are a few simple ways to get around it safely, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest fix step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the file, make a copy, and download it when the original file has hit the quota limit. If this tutorial helps you out, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the file link in Google Drive. This is usually the link someone sent you, or the file you found online that's giving you the quota exceeded error. When the file opens, don't worry if downloading is blocked at first. The key is to work from within Google Drive itself, instead of trying to force the original file to download directly. Next, go to My Drive. This step is important because it helps you find the file in your own drive space, where you can create a fresh copy. If the file is already saved as a shortcut or available in your drive, look for that first. If it's the original file, that works too. The goal here is to access the file from your drive list so you can duplicate it. Now find the file, whether it's a shortcut or the original file. Once you've located it, right-click on the file and choose Make a Copy. This is the main trick that helps with quota issues. When a file has been viewed or downloaded too many times, Google can temporarily block direct access, but creating your own copy often bypasses that limitation because the copy becomes a separate file in your account. After the copy is created, open the copied file. Don't try to download the original again yet. Open the new copy instead because the copy is what you'll use for the download. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue immediately and gives you normal access to the download option. Once the copied file is open, click the download icon. On Google Drive, this is usually found in the top right area of the screen. After you click it, Drive should begin exporting or downloading the file normally. If the file is a document, spreadsheet, or presentation, it may download in a format like DocX, PDF, or XLSX, depending on the file type and your drive settings. If you still get the same quota exceeded message, there are two more options you can try. The first is to use another Google account and repeat the same steps. Sometimes the quota limit is tied to the account's access attempts, so switching to a different account can give you a clean path to the file. Just sign in with another Google account, open the file again, make a copy, and try downloading from the copy. The second option is to wait 24 hours for the quota to reset. This is the most basic fix when Google's temporary download limit has been reached. It's not instant, but in many cases the file becomes available again after the quota refreshes. So if the copy method doesn't work right away, waiting a day can solve the problem without needing any advanced tools. To quickly recap, the easiest method is to open the file in Google Drive, go to My Drive, find the file or shortcut, right-click and make a copy, then open the copy and download it from there. If that still doesn't work, try another Google account or wait 24 hours for the quota to reset. If this video saved you time, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Google Drive tutorials and tech troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.